Good afternoon, and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. This is Liz. I'll be sharing with you today information on dill pickle juice. In particular, how you can use that remaining juice that is left in the jar after you are done eating the dill pickles. When I am almost done with a jar of dill pickles, I like to make pickle soup. I have always done this. However, recently I ran across some information that there are health benefits associated with the juice. This did not come as a surprise to me, but I wanted to know more. Pickle juice is actually called pickle brine, since it is a salt solution meant to preserve food. The only key ingredients in a brine are water and salt. Anything else added to a brine is done for flavor and not preservation. Some of the more common pickle additives are alum, a form of potassium, dill, an herb, and vinegar. Adds to or replaces salt, also adds flavor. Specific pickle recipes can also contain garlic, onions, peppers, sugar, and whatever else the recipe calls for. Pickle brine is often the forgotten counterpart when enjoying delicious pickles. And fortunately, it actually does more than just add flavor to your favorite side dishes. Many athletes swear by it because it helps to rebuild electrolytes post-workout. Pickle brine contains sodium and vinegar, both necessary in aiding athletes and those who sweat heavily. Some researchers also credit vinegar to help relieve muscle cramps. Others say it's the magnesium. Dill pickle brine is a very good source of antioxidants. These antioxidants are extremely beneficial for the all-round health of the human body. They help to keep major illnesses such as cancer and heart disease away. These antioxidants also help to keep the skin youthful and keep the organs healthy. They help to prevent cell damage of any kind. Dill pickle brine is acidic in nature, and so it is very effective in destroying any bacteria which might be present in the stomach area of the person. Dill pickles contain vinegar, which is known to be very effective in combating stomach acids. Vinegar is harsh on any bacteria which might be present in the stomach, yet it is mild on the linings of the stomach. Dill pickles contain a lot of salt. Salt is also known to be very effective in destroying bacteria. Pickle brine has also been touted to help with PMS. Those cramps and cravings that we all look forward to can be wiped out with a few sips of pickle brine. Drink about half a cup of brine in the days leading up to and the first day of your cycle, and you may notice the difference in your symptoms. Here is a great recipe that I found for a creamy dill pickle dressing that I will be trying soon. It is very simple to make. In a blender, mix 1½ cups of dill pickle brine, 1 ripe avocado, and a 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. Drizzle it onto your favorite veggies and enjoy. It is recommended that pickle brine should be drunk in moderation. Since everyone's body is different, it is always wise to start with a small amount and work your way up from there. If you need to watch your sodium intake due to kidney issues, high blood pressure, or another health condition, then pickle juice might not be an option for you. Please check with your doctor first. Just remember to save that dill pickle brine when that last pickle disappears from the jar. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Good day and good health.